Hi everyone, my name's Sophie Harris-Greenslade and I'm a nail expert from The Illustrated Nail. Here are my top tips to help prevent your nails from breaking. So tip number one, try changing your nail shape. The best nail shape for a nail that's prone to breakages is called a squoval nail. So a squoval nail is like what I'm sporting today. It is a slightly rounded, softer, square nail. It's really good for nails that break because it's wider in shape. It's wider than an oval or a round nail, so it gives it more strength and stability along the free edge. So you want to round the sides off of the squoval nail because anything that's too sharp at the edges will actually catch and it will be prone to breakage. I'm going to be using a glass nail file, and these are great for if you've got weak or brittle nails because it's super fine and super gentle on your nail, so you're not going to get any splitting. Usually when you file your nails, you should go in one direction across the nail from left to right, as nails are made up of layers. So if you go back and forth, you can actually cause the layers to split. With a glass nail file though, you can actually go back and forth because it is so soft and gentle on the nails, it's not going to cause the layers to split. Tip 2 is buff your nails. So in buffing the nails once every 2 weeks actually stimulates blood circulation, which helps promote nail growth. Buffing the nails is just like exfoliating the face, so you don't want to overdo it. You want to be very gentle. You want to use a buffer which is a 220, 280, very soft buffer, and you want to go in one direction from the cuticle to the nail tip, very gently. You really don't want to be going back and forth because this can actually cause the nail to dry out and become weak and brittle. So tip 3 is to treat your nails with some TLC. Soaking your nails in an organic cold pressed oil like an olive oil or a coconut oil will really help nourish and hydrate your nails and your skin. So what you want to do is sit your nails into the oil on a weekly basis for about 10 minutes to really hydrate your nails and cuticles. So as well as the oil soak once a week, I also like to apply a daily cuticle oil. So I really love CND's solar oil. It's an almond oil and it's really rich in vitamin E, which is great for your nails and skin. So what I like to do is apply it to the cuticle, just brush it all over on each cuticle, like so. And then we rub it in with small circular movements like this all over the cuticle and also on the nail plate because it's really going to penetrate into the nail and really hydrate it. I also really like to use a daily hand cream. This is a really lovely one from L'Occitane and it's got shea butter in it. This stimulates blood circulation and really helps with cell renewal and promotes growth for the nail, so make sure you're going over the nail too. So the circular massage movement will stimulate the blood circulation and really make your hands soft and hydrated. Tip 4 is to try use a nail strengthener. I really love using OPI's Nail Envy. So Nail Envy contains a hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is a protein that repairs your nails. It also contains calcium, which helps grow harder, stronger, longer nails. It's the nail strengthening product that actually works and my clients love it. So you can wear it alone or you can wear it as a strengthening base coat underneath your colour polish. So those are my top tips to prevent your nails from breaking.